Hi everyone, welcome back to 4D. Have you ever permanently deleted some photos from Google Photos and wish you could recover them? This is a very common question among Google Photos users. Is it gone forever? Well, maybe not. In this video, we're going to walk through every possible method to try and get those photos back. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's start with the most obvious but essential check. The bin, also known as the trash. I'm going to use a computer for this. So open your PC browser, go to Google Photos. Find trash at the bottom of the left column. Backed up photos and videos stay in your trash for 60 days. Once you're done selecting desired photos and videos, click the Restore button on the top right corner of the screen, and you're all set. If it's truly empty, we can try to contact Google support. First, a very important reality check. Google's official policy is that photos permanently deleted from the bin are gone forever. However, in very rare and specific cases, some users have reported success by pleading their case. The chance is extremely low, but since it costs nothing to ask, it's worth a final try. If you are a Google One subscriber, you're in luck. Simply open the Google One app or website, go to the support section, and you can start a live chat or request a call with a real person. This is your VIP pass. If you don't have Google One, you can try sending feedback or posting in the Google Photos Help community. Google no longer provides direct Contact Us support for free accounts. Anyway, you can try it. Maybe you will succeed. There's one more critical scenario we need to cover. What if the photo was never successfully backed up to Google Photos in the first place? Your only hope is to recover the file from the original local storage device itself. This is where the 4DDiG data recovery tool comes in. It can perform a deep scan on your local devices to find and piece together these recoverable files. It works on your PC's internal hard drive, external hard drives, USB flash drives, and even SD cards from your camera or phone. The process is incredibly straightforward. Once open, select the location where your photos were last stored before they were deleted. Hit Scan. You can specifically filter the results to only show photo files to make it easier. 4DDiG will now start scanning the entire drive for any recoverable files. When you find the ones you're looking for, just select them. Click the Recover button and save them to a safe location, preferably a different drive to avoid overwriting anything. That's it. If this guide was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to 4DDiG for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you had any success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.